Here's breadboard. It's got these holes all in it. These holes are called, they can be called sockets. We're going to call them sockets for all intents and purposes. So there's a lot of holes in these things. You can plug components and wires into these holes, like so. And in certain configurations, things actually become attached or become electrically connected. How would you know if something is electrically connected? Well, I've taken apart the back. I've taken off the adhesive back from the breadboard, and so you can see what it looks like. Each one of these metal strips that I'm pointing to is it's essentially a set of pins that these sockets connect to each other. And just to show you what each one of these looks like, there are these little clips, as you might be able to see, and the wires actually plug into them like this. So you can see how those line up like there, and it's the same thing here and along the top as well. So this is separate from all adjacent ones. Each metal strip of connectors is its own separate, its own isolated group of these sockets. So in fact, these two wires are currently connected because they're in the same column as each other, while this one isn't. It's hanging off on its own, and it's not connected. But we can very easily move it, and now it is. Alright, so now that you've sort of gotten a primer on breadboards, let's start building.